next move on to IT Asset Management and IT Service Management. So there is, of course, a huge, so IT Asset Management and IT Service Management really complements each other very well. But with that being said, there is always a confusion between IT Asset Management and IT Service Management. So Vijay, please, give us an idea of give us, create that line for us where ITSM, ITAM comes in and where ITSM comes in.
See, these are two things which are, going hand in hand, I would say. ITAM is asset management and ITSM is, I would say, one of the biggest aspect of what ITSM is, providing services to the assets that you have and that you have assigned or that you have given to somebody. So if we see in the slides itself only, okay, so, yeah. So I think I was opening, maybe, yeah, okay. Yeah. So in the definition itself only, ITAM is primarily involving around the asset lifecycle itself only, basically whatever we have discussed. And whereas ITSM is primarily dealing with, the designing and delivering of managing IT, the services that they are getting, the issues that they are getting in resolving that. So it's the main difference over there. Primary focus is assets for, tracking, optimizing, cost optimization as well, performance of IT assets, whereas ITSM primarily focuses on, quality IT service that aligns with the business goal itself only. Scope is, something, the ITAM is focusing primarily on hardware, software and virtual assets, as compared to ITSM is focusing on incident management, problem resolution, change management itself only. So this is the primarily two gap itself only. ITAM provides the hardware, asset and configuration, whereas ITSM manages the issues we are getting over there by issue management, by change request. We can request a change, like we do not need this particular device, we want something else, so we can configure it over here, and something similar to that we would be able to handle in ITSM. Then we have again on the slides, if you can see from the objective point of view, it's the ITAM objective is to provide the visibility into asset utilization and controls, whereas ITSM seeks to improve service quality and enhance the user satisfaction itself only. From the process point of view, ITAM uses asset discovery, inventory management, compliance tracking, whereas ITSM focuses on incident response, problem resolution, change implementation, change service, service desk support, and SLA as well. For stakeholders, ITAM primarily deals with asset managers, procurement team, finance department, and compliance officers, whereas ITSM deals with service manager, IT support team, end users, and business unit leaders itself only.
All right. Thank you, Vijay, for explaining the whole difference on a more technical front. Although for all the business owners and the stakeholders who want a bit more of a business-centric idea of it, so I'll take an example of an e-commerce company. So for example, you run an e-commerce company and you have somewhere around 5,000 employees in your company. So here, how will ITAM will come in action? So for those 5,000 employees, you bought 5,000 laptops. So now tracking the entire life cycle of those laptops, that is when they are going to need a new laptop, when they are going to need a new software, and providing that, updating those softwares, ensuring that those softwares are running smoothly, planning for the hardware upgradations and replacements in advance, all of that is ITAM in action. And now what is ITSM? Well, ITSM is so now you have provided a laptop to one of the employees, and now they come to the IT help desk raising a concern or an issue that they might be facing. So ITSM is solving that issue, being there, present there for the employees to help them real time with what all IT issues that they are facing. Additionally, for example, in ITAM, you have got software licenses for them. But in ITSM, ensuring that those software are being used properly, the process to manage those softwares are also in place. So all of these things comes in IT service management. Additionally, ensuring that the e-commerce platform remains, operational. There are no downtime happening. All of these things also comes under IT service management. So like we just said, IT asset management is very much the overall life cycle. It really does not go into helping the employees real time in providing them IT services. It is more making sure that they have the right assets in their hand to keep the operations running. Whereas IT service management is more like a help desk, more like fixing their issues real time, more like helping them with the process of subscriptions, and additionally, handling the customer service queries related to the website. So all of that really comes into IT service management. And I think with this example, you have somewhere understood the difference between IT asset management and IT service management. I think